Hello my friends, welcome back to the Alpha 1982 related to Paracord community. Today we're gonna create these awesome Paracord projects. Inspiration came from CbyS Paracord and more, so make sure to check him out. For today's project we're gonna use this green Paracord 550, total length around 2 meters or 6.6 feet, and here I have this small but very useful tool, so make sure to check the information cards down below where you can purchase the items you need. Also in the description box of this video you can find a tutorial for this awesome Paracord bracelet I'm wearing today, and check the information cards, also there you can find many other useful tutorials. So that being said, let's start. First we're gonna take the ends of our paracord and pull them together to find the center of our cord, like this. Now when we have a center, we'll make the length of our lanyard. So I think this will be enough for a neck lanyard, perhaps. Okay, now when we get the measurements for the neck lanyard, now we're gonna take the right strand and we're gonna create a little loop, and we're gonna place the right strand with the loop in the middle between those two strands of our cord, and from here we're gonna make it on top of the right strand cord like this, then around with a little loop on the right side here, pinch it to secure the cords, and with the left side make it under this right strand loop. We make from the right to the left, so under, and then on top of those three strands, and then through the loop on the right side. Now we're gonna pull it to make it tight and proceed. Now when we locked our knot here, you can rearrange the length of a loop, as you can see, pulling by this right strand cord. I think this will be more than enough. Okay, and now pull it tight to secure firmly your knot and to lock your loop here. Now as always, the cobra knot, the strand that heading from the top to the bottom or to the back is the leading one, and the one heading from the back through the top is the secondary. So we're gonna take the leading and create a loop on the right side and make it on top of those two strands, and we're gonna take the left strand and place it on top of the right strand. Then we're gonna go to the back, and from the back make it around and through the loop on the right side, pull it, tie it, and proceed. So again, the strand heading to the back is the lead one, so make it on top of those two strands, and the right strand is the secondary, so on top of the left strand, around and from the back through the loop. So these few cobra knots will be enough for our neck lanyard, or maybe let's do one more. And from here we're gonna tie our knot firmly, and we're gonna cut off the excess of cord, melt it down, Simple, fast and easy paracord project. I hope that you like this video. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and the family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit that bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. So that being said, until the next time, stay safe, be well, and see you soon. Bye!